and welcome to your Latissimus Dorsi Fascial Freedom tutorial. Now, this one we can use a foam roller. Again, if you have a ball like a basketball or football, feel free to use that as well. We're going to get as comfortable as we can laying on our side. It's going to be sitting right across where your chest is, or nipple line basically. That's probably a really good starting spot. And we're hitting a little bit more towards the back. Now, what we find when people do this one is you actually start hitting all sorts of things in there, including your serratus too. So there's a couple of bits going in there. It's not a bad thing. We find that most people get a lot of relief and benefit from hitting all of these spots. So the first thing is just finding that tender spot. Once you do find it, relax. A minute or two just sitting on there and working on some breathing. If you can actually get your rib cage to expand and flex with this, that's also going to help with the hydration of the tissues. Other than that, what we can do is we can introduce a little bit of forwards and backwards rolling, but again, not too big. Precise is the key with this, 1 to 2 centimeter movements. It's not advised to roll up and down. You're kind of going over the ribs. You can do it, but we always prefer just to do some gentle movements forwards and backwards while working on the breathing. Again, self-discovery, everyone's going to be a little bit different, so find your sticky spots and see if you can hydrate them. Get to work with that one. Looking forward to seeing you on the next video tutorial.